Giving my wings a flip. Chicken wings. Hi guys, how you doing? How you doing? Welcome to Nettie's amazing house. You know, I have to do my little singing intro. How you doing? I'm blessed. You're blessed. Today we'll be making jerk chicken wings, and I'll be adding some sweet soya. So instead of adding brown sugar, I'll be adding sweet soya sauce to this recipe. So how you doing? Today's Friday, so I'm going to do something quick and easy, spicy and tasty at the same time for my boys. My chicken wings are washed and ready. You already seen how I soaked it in some apple cider vinegar. Whenever I'm preparing my chicken or chicken wings, I always love to pre-soak it with some apple cider vinegar. It just gives it that, it makes it, doesn't have that raw taste. Or you could use lime or plain white vinegar, but I love my apple cider vinegar. So first I'll add some all-purpose. So that was the jerk seasoning, a paprika, and this is smoked paprika, so it will give it that smoke taste at the same time. My handy dandy Vegeta. You know I love Vegeta, so I throw that bad boy in almost everything. Accent, not too much, and you don't have to put too much of all the powder season because it's going to be combined, so you don't want to over season with one season. Garlic powder, chicken seasoning, just a little of every little thing, and a little black pepper. Here's my jerk seasoning. This is it. I don't want to put on too much. And we're just going to add a little bit of salt. Powder season already kind of have that salty taste, so just a little. Sweet soya. I love sweet soya. Instead of adding brown sugar, I'll add the sweet soya sauce. And I'm cutting up a piece of red pepper. Make sure it's spicy. We want it to be spicy. So it's like I'm shaving this pepper. And now, give it a good, decent rub. Yep, if it needs more soya, I'll add it. There we go. Give this a cover and put him aside for a little bit. So we're going to rest this aside to marinate. It's going to be delicious. Of course, I made it. So I've been preheating my oven and preheating my pan in my oven, and here are my wings. They're ready for the oven. Just call me angel of the morning. Angel. I was just watching the Blacklist and that song stuck in my head. There it is in the oven. I'll be back. I'll be back. Welcome to Nettie's Amazing House. Just call me Angel of the Morning. Angel. That's me. So time to get my fries going. Oh my gosh, guys, I thought I had a lot of fries, but look, this is just it. Oh gosh, and I take your time. What's wrong with you, girl? This is it. I'll show you how I do up my fries for the oven. I'll add oil. It's frozen fries. Add about 2.5 to 3 tablespoons oil and sea salt. So make sure you add sufficient salt because you want your fries to be tasting of salt. And then I shake it because I want to coat all my fries with oil. And my pan is prepared. So now I'll give it an even spread because you don't want the fries to overlap, okay? So my oven was preheating at 400. It's on convection at setting. My wings are almost ready. Time for the oven. My wings on its way to getting there. This is not a rushing process. At the same time, it doesn't take that long. Fries are ready. This pepper. Nice. So, from my amazing house to yours, one love. Spicy jerk chicken wings with a bit of sweet soy sauce and fries. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Nettie's Amazing House. One love. Love you. Thank you for watching.